In related news, Elias Totoy is steadily making his case as a credible whistleblower and state witness on this whodunit case that has captured the mind of a nation. His uncanny recollection on where the bodies were supposedly dumped on Taal Lake has yielded multiple sacks of what is believed to be human remains. Our SI Mirafuentes took his team to Taal Lake for the dive operations, and he filed this report.
We observed the first day of diving operations by the Philippine Coast Guard or PCG here in Taal Lake all day. At exactly 7:45 this morning, the PCG began their first diving operation in this part of Taal Lake in Laurel, Batangas. It started in Barangay Balakilong, where they also recently recovered bone remains inside the sack yesterday. 3 groups consisting of 7 to 8 PCG members dived earlier this morning. They focused their search on an area 100 to 270 meters from shore. Past 10 a.m., the PCG dive returned to the surface. Past 2 p.m. this afternoon, 8 technical divers from the PCG dive again. Together with PTV News, we crossed Taal Lake. The places we visited were based on the information given by Elias Totoy regarding where the missing cockfighters were dumped. We traveled for almost 10 minutes from Laurel, Batangas Fish Port. Once we reached the exact location, the technical divers of the PCG immediately went underwater. According to the PCG, they found 2 sacks submerged in Taal Lake. When we returned to shore, we were met by the families of the missing cockfighters. They were reluctant to talk to the media. Nanay Maricel could barely speak and remained quiet. She is the mother of the youngest among the missing cockfighters.
Salamat po ako sa mga tumulong sa amin.
Kung sa mga suspect nito, anong mensahe natin? May bawawang
The sacks recovered from Taal Lake were immediately turned over to SOCO for forensic investigation.
Nakita niyo once na nakuha para ma-preserve yung integrity ng mga nakuha ng divers natin, kinalalagay kagad appropriately sa isang bag, no, para hindi siya ma-contaminate at ma-handle natin na maayos kung yun man ay parte man ng katawan ng tao.
The PCG explained why they initially reported 4 sacks but were only able to retrieve 2.
Kasi yung situation sa bottom, no, sa sobrang labo ng lugar, no, ng ilalim, yung nakikita ng divers minsan dahil you're using their hands lang, no, at linalapit pa talaga nila yung kanilang sarili dun sa ano, hindi mo siya actually mabibilang kaagad unless otherwise maiahon mo na siya. So pag in-account mo siya, akala mo minsan 2, but pag tinotally in-extract mo na from its yung pagkakabaon niya, no, kasi may burak nga, isa lang pala.
The 2 sacks that were found were a significant distance apart. The water depth where one sack was retrieved was 70 feet and 50 feet for the other. Explanation provided why 4 were initially mentioned. Divers went down to a depth of 72 feet with strong undercurrents below. The PCG did not answer questions regarding the contents of the sacks.
It is still going to be determined ng SOCO. I cannot say anything about that kasi sila yung nag-take charge kagad.
The PCG promised to dive in Taal Lake daily, but they still cannot say until when, as the exact number of missing cockfighters is still unknown. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.